Dr Irina Heaver here, and I'm here with my good friend Talal. Talal, thank you very much for taking your time to speak with us. And I know you are a local celebrity speaking on CNBC and CNN, but thank you for finding time to speak to AIBC Summit. How are you today?
I'm doing good. Thank you so much for having me, really.
Do you mind just giving a couple of minute introduction? What is it that you do? Please talk about your Jibrel venture and also your CoinMENA venture.
Basically, I have two companies in the crypto space. The first, a company called Jibrel. It's a Swiss blockchain development company that builds financial products on the Ethereum blockchain. So for the past couple of years, we did a sukuk for Al Hilal Bank. We did a central bank digital currency project with the Central Bank of Jordan. And most recently, we're doing something in the decentralized finance space. So I guess on the Jibrel side, it's more of research and development and seeing how we can use the Ethereum blockchain to develop financial products. Most of our users, or all of our users, are people that are already in the Ethereum ecosystem. So about 2 years ago, me and my partner decided that we needed to do something specifically focused for the Middle East. Because we realized that there's a huge market gap when it comes to regulated exchange that allows people to move from fiat to crypto and crypto to fiat. So we set up CoinMENA. We got licensed by the Central Bank of Bahrain last December, and we just launched a couple of weeks ago.
Oh, well, congratulations. Not only UAE is moving in regulating and managing the space, but Bahrain, and hopefully soon we'll see other countries. You are so deeply entrenched in blockchain and crypto space. You are one of the Middle Eastern original gangsters, OGs. So what do you think about all this innovation that is coming out of? Every month we have a new NFT project, or now we're talking about fractional NFTs. What's your view on this craze that is moving our way?
Amazing. So I'm very happy you brought that up, because I think having been, obviously you have been probably also for so many years. I met you probably 5 years ago, and you were also in crypto, which means you have seen several cycles. And in my opinion, Bitcoin is a proven asset class. All of the new stuff are experimental. I think Ethereum has also moved from being something that's experimental to something that's actually proven. Now Visa are settling transactions using the Ethereum blockchain. As someone that spends most of their time trying to build stuff on Ethereum, I can tell you that it is absolutely revolutionary. I mean, the use cases of crypto versus blockchain, I'm much more on the crypto side. You know, some people tell you, oh, we're going to use blockchain for, I don't know, centralized databases for health records, for there's government entities that are using blockchain for all sorts of data reconciliation. But for me, I'm a bigger fan of open networks. So for example, NFTs have allowed artists to directly monetize content that they create. So I just think that same with the internet versus intranet. You know, I wasn't there in the 70s and 80s, but companies that used to say, we prefer the intranet because it's safe, it's trusted. And now in hindsight, we can say that the internet was definitely a much bigger network, because it's an open network that allows everyone to come in and essentially build stuff. So there's a new thing in crypto every day. It's hard to keep up. So yeah, I urge everyone to spend as much time as you can afford reading and learning about all the new things that are happening.
So you've been a long-term Dubai resident. How long have you been in Dubai for now?
So this is my second time around. I had my first job actually with PricewaterhouseCoopers in Abu Dhabi and Dubai. Then I moved around. I went to Saudi, Switzerland, etc. And now full circle back to Dubai. Got married 2 years ago. My wife's been living in Dubai for 8 years, and I honestly can't imagine living anywhere else.
So why is that? Why we come to Dubai and never leave?
All right, so one of my friends gave actually a very good analogy. Every country in the world where there's first world level infrastructure, if you think of France, New York, Tokyo, Singapore, it's first world infrastructure and standard of living, but there's not many opportunities because they had their glory days in the past 100 years. Right, which means that there's a lot more saturation when it comes to opportunities. Whereas in Dubai provides you with first-class infrastructure, arguably better than anywhere in the world.
Oh, for sure.
Yet it gives you yet the markets aren't as developed, which gives companies, individuals, opportunities that would be unimaginable in other places.
Well, that's a great summary of why Dubai is a great place to live, to work, set up your company here, move your family here, and it's a testament to the UAE federal government, and it's a testament to the Dubai government. They encourage entrepreneurship, they encourage business opportunities. We have a Minister of Entrepreneurship. I mean, how amazing is that? So we will see you at the AIBC Summit in May.
Of course.
And thank you very much for participating. And I hope all of our listeners will make their way to Dubai and meet you at the AIBC Summit.
Amazing. As always, thank you, Irina.
Thank you very much.